I think Ellen's favorite part about Christmas was the wrapping paper.
Why don't we take away these frayed bits?
The wet parts?
Here. Father shall precise. Thank you. How you doing, bud? Find the sticker, bud.
Did you get some paper? Can I have it?
Oh, buddy. Are you regretting the decision to eat your Christmas present? Mm-hmm. Oh, buddy. Buddy. How's that feel in your mouth? Oh, man. Very serene now.
I'm about to eat the paper.
Can we do this? Can we do something to open your mouth? Please? What do you got in here?
I didn't feel any. You can get in there.
The only thing that's going in there is paper.
Oh, buddy.
He's conflicted.
Yeah, he wants to eat it.
He says, this isn't tasty at all.
But I am compelled to put it in my mouth. Okay.